Today we're gonna make slime. Oh yeah, and if you didn't check that other video that we just made a few minutes ago, make sure to check it out after this video.
Yeah. So today we're making what?
Slime.
Yeah, and you guys want to introduce yourselves? This is
Jenny.
And this is Jolie. These are my little cousins, and they've been really wanting to make a slime video. Yeah? So today we're going to be making some pink glittery slime. Oh, you want to talk about the other video we did?
Yeah, the other video I did her makeup.
And she did a good job, huh?
But she is not in it, sadly, but she will be in this video.
Huh, Jolie? With your little curls.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you guys are matching and everything.
Yes, we are matching. We have the same grass. Stand up a little bit.
Stand up a little, Jolie. You want to show them?
See, we're matching.
Oh, you're going to go all the way up. Wow.
If you want to make this slime, so you get Elmer's glue.
Elmer's glitter glue.
And
unless you want to make it like your own, then you can just use regular glue and food coloring. But they wanted glitter, huh?
Yes, but if you want a glitter, you can use Elmer's glue and
some contact solution
and some
baking soda. You ready to get started?
Yeah!
So if you guys want to see how to make some pink glitter slime, just go ahead and keep on watching. So starting out, we're going to take our glitter glue and we're going to take the lid off.
And I'll pour it. Okay, mine?
And you're going to pour it all the way into the bowl. Pour in the bowl. You're going to pour the whole bottle. Oh!
I already got a ton in here.
You need the whole bottle.
Why?
That's what it calls for. So this is about what it should look like right now. You just got all the glue in the bowl. Next we're going to take 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. So go ahead and put that into your slime. Oh, good job.
Can I do some?
You're good to do some too. Okay, so now you're going to put some in. 1/2 tablespoon. Okay, good job. Okay, now you're each going to take your spoon and you're going to mix it in to the glitter glue. So figure in and mix that, just like this, Jenny. Look. Mix it in all the way.
It's already looking like slime.
Yeah, it is, huh?
Does yours look like mine?
Good job.
It's pink!
It is pink.
It's already turning into slime. I'm mixing.
You are mixing.
Is that enough? That kind of looks like custard. See, I'm mixing. Pink custard.
Yeah, but we don't need this one.
No. I think that's
You're
enough.
doing so good, Jolie. Now we're going to take the contact solution and you're going to take 1/2 tablespoons. Okay, go ahead and pour that in. And then one more. Okay, go ahead and pour that in. Good job.
I'm gonna get 2.
You're gonna too, don't worry. So I'll start mixing it.
It's feeling kind of like slime.
Slime.
See my slime?
Good job. Good job, girlie.
I got pink.
Yeah.
And Jen got pink too.
Yay.
I like pink and blue.
So,
We did slime.
Elmers played us. The Elmers recipe played us. And it was not like, it was just sticking everywhere. It was not real slime. So my sister Jenny came in and saved the day and said to use borax with hot water. So all we did is take about 2 1/2 teaspoons and put some on. And then, or a teaspoon.
And we
if you have a teaspoon.
split it, right?
Yeah. Just as much as you think you need until it's not sticky anymore and it actually looks like slime.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. So now, Joel, you get to knead it like this.
Really?
Yeah, so do that. So now you're going to play with it, Jolie.
Really?
Yeah, go ahead, knead it.
Wait.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it fun, Jolie?
Yeah. This one's my favorite part of
Jolie,
it.
so it's not so sticky.
Slime.
Is that your slime? What color is it?
Pink.
What'd you make?
Slime bracelet.
A slime bracelet?
And
Now that we're done, did you guys have fun?
yes.
Are you glad you got to make some slime?
Yes, but on the last video we said subscribe and smash that like button and
Smash that like button.
oh yeah, and do notification too.
Oh, do what notification?
Next time we just see all the videos.
Next time they're here, we'll do a Play-Doh video. Yeah? You want to do that, Jenny?
Yes.
Oh, Joy.
Oh yeah.
Did you guys have fun being in my video?
Yes.
So if you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up.
Yes. And like I said in the last video, give 2 big hearts.
Give 2 big hearts in the comments down below.
You don't have to do
if you
the
liked
ones,
it.
Yes, but you don't have to do the same hearts I said, but you could just do your own hearts.
Do any heart you want in the
Or
comments.
you could just like do any emoji.
Okay. Any emoji. Your favorite emoji. Should we do that?
Yes.
Leave your favorite emoji in the comments.
My favorite is the Jean.
The Jean?
Yeah, and Jill.
Yeah.
I make a little bracelet.
Yeah. So if you guys liked this video and you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below.
Or tap it.
Or tap it. I don't always make these kinds of videos. They're kind of a rarity usually.
What?
Wow. Usually I'm more of a beauty person, but if you guys like these videos, maybe I could do more of these. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah.
Say, love you guys.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Cookie. That's not a cherry. I thought Jenny loves cherries. Jennifer, do you love cherries?
I love you too.
Well, we're making some sugar, no Pinky promises. She doesn't.
Well, Jenny doesn't know what Pinky Promise is?
No, yes I do. I don't know Pinky Promise. What is it? You love Pinky Promise. Huh?
Yeah.
I like to do it. Mom.
Joey, high five. High five. Can you give me? Yeah, nice. Nice. Can you give me a fist bump? What? Woo! Good job.
Day 5. Mine's 3.
Kids, no! We don't eat the slime. You like your slime, Jolie?